Hello, kids. Today we are going to continue the session that is of lesson number 3 that we have already discussed half part of the lesson. Lesson 3 का जो half part हमने discuss कर लिया था, we will continue with that of standard second. The standard second, and our subject is English. The lesson that was remaining, we'll continue with the same lesson. Now, what was the name of our lesson? It was the friends. What was the name of the lesson? It was the friends. And as I told you, friends are who? Friends are the most important person in your life. Friend कौन होता है? आपकी लाइफ का बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट पर्सन विद whom you can share your feelings, जिसके साथ आप अपने फीलिंग्स को शेयर कर सकते हैं. Over here in our lesson, let's recall the thing that we have already learned. थोड़ा सा recall कर लेते हैं, revise, then we'll begin for the further ones. Now, as I told you in our story, who are there? There are two friends. Who are there? There are two friends and one bear. Two friends, one name is Rahul and the other one was Nitin. One was Rahul and the other one was Nitin. They both were very good friends. How were they? They both were very good friends. They used to stay together in a village. वो village में साथ में रहते थे. Then while staying together, what they decided? They both decided to go for a hiking. They both decided to go for a hiking. Hiking means what? Hiking means to go for a long walk. While they moved to for a walk, where they gone to the dense forest. बहुत घने जंगल में चले गए थे. Then what happened? Immediately, what they heard the growling of a bear. उनको bear के growl करने का आवाज आया. Then who escaped himself? किसने अपने आप को बचा लिया था? Rahul. What did Rahul did? Rahul climbed on the branch of the tree and he stayed there. वो branch tree पे चढ़ गया, branch पकड़ के, and he didn't get worried for his friend. उसने अपने friend के बारे में सोचा ही नहीं. Then when Nitin saw that my friend is on the branch of the tree and he didn't care for me, he felt very sad. उसको कैसा लगा? बहुत बुरा लगा. But what happened immediately? The bear was standing behind Nitin. Bear कहाँ पे खड़ा था? नितिन के पीछे. Then what Nitin did? क्या करा था नितिन ने? He immediately flattened on the ground. उसने ground पे flattened जाके वो गिर गया. Then what bear did? Bear sniffed. I told you what do you mean by sniff? Means to give air out of your nose. अपने nose से air बाहर निकालना. Who sniffed? The bear sniffed. As the bear sniffed near Nitin when he sniffed, so he didn't find the breathing sound. उसको breathe in और breathe out का sound नहीं आ रहा था. So what he thought? The bear thought that he is no more. वो अब जिंदा नहीं है. This was the session that we have completed before. Now the time of session 2. Now, as bear did like that, he sniffed. Bear sniffed like this. So what he saw that the boy who is flattened on the ground, he is not breathing. वो सांस नहीं ले रहा है और सांस inhale भी नहीं कर रहा और exhale भी नहीं कर रहा. Exhale मतलब बाहर निकालना, inhale मतलब अंदर लेना. And then what the bear thought? Bear thought that he is no more. And when the Nitin heard the sniffing of the bear, Nitin जो नीचे ग्राउंड पे लेटा हुआ था, जब उसने स्निफिंग सुना, जैसे बेयर सांस ले रहा है तो उसकी नोज में से हवा निकल रही थी. So as Nitin heard that voice, his blood went cold. उसका जो ब्लड है बॉडी का एकदम ठंडा हो गया. क्यों? डर के मारे. Because he was very much scared. क्यों डर गया था? Because he was thinking now bear will going to eat me up. But when he was not breathing in and breathing out, जब वो breathe in breathe out नहीं कर रहा था, so what bear thought? When bear sniffed him, he thought that he is no more. जब bear ने उसको सूंघा तो उसको क्या लगा? That Nitin is no more. And it is well known, as I told you, जैसे हमने पहले आपको बताया था, bear is a kind of animal who never eat dead meat. Dead meat. We learn the spelling of dead and meat. Then again I'll tell you the meaning. So let's write. It's, we'll give the numbers and then number one is DEAD. And what was there? It was the meat. Now, DEAD, dead means you are no more. जो live नहीं, life नहीं है जिसकी body में, they are known as the dead. Then meat. Meat means the flesh of the animal or the, yes, it's the flesh of the animal and birds that people used to eat. Now, bear is a kind of animal that never eats the dead animal. As he sniffed at that time, Nitin was not breathing. Nitin breathe in, breathe out nahi kar raha tha so that he can save his life. Why he was not breathing in and breathing out? Because usko apna life bacha lena tha. That's why he was not breathing in and breathing out. So, what the bear thought? Bear thought that he is no more. Bear को लगा कि नहीं ये तो जिंदा नहीं है. Then, as bear doesn't eat the dead meat, वो dead meat, मरा हुआ meat कभी भी नहीं खाता. So he moved away from there. He changed his direction. He changed his direction. Who changed? Bear changed. Bear changed his direction. We learned the spelling of direction. It's a big spelling. Number 3. DIRECTION. Direction means, as I am standing here, I am going over here. I have to change my direction. So what I'll do, whether I'll go this side or whether I'll go this side, means I have changed my direction. I'm walking straight. For changing my direction, I'll go this side or I will go that side. Same happened with the bear also. As he saw that the boy who was in the ground, on the ground, he's not breathing. So what the bear thought? Bear thought that he is no more and he changed his direction and moved away from there. वो वहां से चला गया. Now the friend who was sitting on the tree, on the branch of the tree, उसका जो friend राहुल कहाँ बैठा था? Branch of the tree. He saw from the upside to downside. उसने नीचे देखा that bear has gone away from here. अब तो bear यहाँ से चला गया है. Then what did he do? He slowly come down from the tree and stood in front of his friend Nitin. He stood. Stood means खड़े हो जाना. We'll write the spelling. Number 4, STOOD. Who stood? Rahul stood in front of his friend. That name was Nitin. And why he came down? Because he saw now the danger is gone away from here. Till the time the bear was standing there, at that moment Rahul doesn't came down. But when he saw that the danger is gone, जब उसने देखा कि अब तो खतरा यहाँ से चला गया है, bear has gone away from here, then what he did? He came down, वो नीचे आ गया and stood in front of his friend. And what he did? Rahul started laughing very loudly. राहुल ने बहुत जोर जोर से हंसना स्टार्ट कर दिया. Is that was good thing? He should laugh? No, he should not laugh. But he started laughing loudly. We'll write the spelling of laughing. Number 5. LAUGHING. Laughing. Laughing on someone is a bad habit. You should not laugh on anyone. We should not laugh on anyone. Why? Because if someone is in any trouble, we should not laugh on them. Why? Because that shows that we are making fun of them. What that shows? That we are making fun of them. And राहुल एंड नितिन वर वेरी गुड फ्रेंड्स. राहुल और नितिन तो कितने अच्छे फ्रेंड्स थे. सो वॉज राहुल डूइंग राइट? राहुल राइट कर रहा था? नो, ही वॉज नॉट डूइंग राइट. As he stood there and he started laughing, then what happened? The boy Nitin who was on the floor, he was still shaking. उसका बॉडी अभी भी शेक कर रहा था. Why? शेक मतलब डर के मारे कांपना. His body was still shaking. Why it was shaking? Because अभी भी उसके अंदर से डर नहीं गया था कि मैं बेयर से बच गया हूँ. My life has been saved from the bear. उसको इस चीज पे विश्वास ही नहीं हो रहा था कि I have been saved. Now Rahul came downside and he slowly asked Nitin. उसने आके धीरे से नितिन से क्या पूछा? Hey Nitin, what the bear was saying in your ears? What the bear was whispering? What the friend is asking कि bear आपके कान में धीरे से क्या बोल रहा था? Now the immediately Nitin stood up. तुरंत ही नितिन खड़ा हो गया. And his reaction was very harsh. Harsh मतलब बहुत गुस्से वाला reaction. Whose reaction was harsh? Nitin's reaction. Why it was harsh? It was harsh because his friend Rahul didn't save him and he was facing so much of trouble. उसको कितना problem हो रहा था, but his friend was laughing on him. Was that good? No, it was not good. So Nitin immediately stood up and he gave very harsh reaction. बहुत गुस्से से उसने किसको देखा? राहुल को. And but Rahul can't stop his laughing. राहुल का हंसना बंद नहीं हो रहा था. उसने उसको धीरे से क्या पूछा? Hey friend, what the bear was saying in your ears? बेयर आपके कान में धीरे धीरे क्या बात कर रहा था? Then what he said? Nitin said, I was so much scared. मैं इतना डर गया था कि डर के मारे मैं फाइनली नीचे लेट गया. And you are making fun of me? आप मेरा मजाक उड़ा रहे हो? You should not do like this. Now, what he said? When he was looking at him, जब उसने उसको पूछा राहुल ने that what the bear was saying in your ears, at that time he was very hurt. बहुत गुस्से में उसने like this he was looking at him. ऐसे गुस्से से हम किसी को देखते हैं ना, if someone does the thing that we don't like, अगर हमारे फ्रेंड ने ऐसे कुछ काम करा हो जो हमको नहीं पसंद हो तो हम क्या करते हैं? We should look him like this, ऐसे गुस्से से देखते हैं ना हम उसको. Why? So that he understand, उसको तुरंत पता चल जाएगा कि अब मैंने कुछ गड़बड़ कर दिया है. But over here what friend did? Friend for this time, friend didn't even saved his friend's life. उसने अपनी ही लाइफ के बारे में सोचा, अपनी फ्रेंड की लाइफ के बारे में नहीं. और उसने एकदम गुस्से में देख के क्या बोला? Never trust the friend who finds the deserts in your opportunity. डेजर्ट क्या होता है आपको पता है बेटा? डेजर्ट इज अ काइंड ऑफ स्वीट. जो हम मीठा खाते हैं ना, खाना हमने खा लिया उसके बाद कभी कोई स्वीट डिश मम्मा ने बना दिया, सेज हलवा बना दिया, और एनी स्वीट डिश, आइसक्रीम यू आर हैविंग, custard mother have made, any sweet dish, that is called the desert. Over here what is the desert? Desert is saying never trust a person. First we'll write the spelling of trust. Trust. What he was saying, never trust a person. कभी भी हमको किसी ऐसे पर्सन पे ट्रस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए जो अपॉर्चुनिटी मतलब मौका ढूंढता है टू मेक द डेजर्ट्स ऑफ योर फ्रेंड्स प्रॉब्लम. आपका फ्रेंड प्रॉब्लम में हो और उसमें हंसने या मिठास की आप बातें ढूंढ रहे हो. योर फ्रेंड इज इन अ प्रॉब्लम और आपको मजा आ रहा है. फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, आई एम हियर एंड माई फ्रेंड इज हियर. मेरी फ्रेंड है मेरे साथ और हम क्या कर रहे हैं, उस मेरे फ्रेंड को प्रॉब्लम है. एंड व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, आई एम फाइंडिंग द रीजन टू आई कैन लाफ ऑन इट. मैं उसमें कोई भी चीज ढूंढ रही हूँ जिससे मुझे हंसी आ सके. बट दैट वाज नॉट गुड. तो नितिन ने राहुल को क्या बोला? वी शुड नेवर ट्रस्ट मतलब भरोसा करना किसी पे. दैट हु यूज्ड टू ट्रस्ट? नितिन यूज्ड टू ट्रस्ट राहुल. सो नितिन सेड यू शुड नेवर ट्रस्ट अ फ्रेंड हु यूज्ड टू फाइंड द डेजर्ट्स ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी, जो हमेशा अपॉर्चुनिटी ढूंढ रहा हो किसी का हंसी उड़ाने के लिए. Then what happened over here when he said like this? Then what he said? Excuse me. Who said excuse me? Rahul said excuse me, that I was just laughing. I just want to know. मुझे तो सिर्फ जानना है कि बेयर आपके ईयर्स में क्या कर रहा था. And he started laughing. But His friend Nitin became very harsh. वो बहुत गुस्सा हो गया. उसने क्या बोला? हमें अपने कभी ऐसे फ्रेंड पे ट्रस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए जो क्या करे, हमारी हंसी उड़ा दे. That was not good. And what he said that I will never be कंटिन्यू माई फ्रेंडशिप विद यू. अब मैं अपनी जो फ्रेंडशिप है वो आपके साथ कंटिन्यू नहीं करूंगा. एंड ही पिक्ड अप हिज सेल्फ. वो अपने आप को उसने नीचे ग्राउंड से खड़ा करा. एंड ही स्टार्टेड मूविंग फ्रॉम देयर. वो वहां से गुस्से में चला गया. एंड देन राहुल रियलाइज. तब राहुल को रियलाइज हुआ द थिंग ही वॉज डूइंग दैट वॉज नॉट गुड. ही शुड नेवर लाफ ऑन हिज फ्रेंड. दैट वॉज रियली नॉट गुड. The person, if he is on any problem, whether he is your friend or whether he is not your friend, कोई भी person अगर problem में है and you are seeing him, आपको दिख रहा है कि कोई भी person problem में है, so what you should do, you should help him. Over here in our lesson, they were two good friends. Still, one of them didn't care for the others. So is that the friendship? No, that was not the friendship. ये good friendship नहीं थी. Now here our lesson gets over. Now what we are going to do? Let's revise the whole of the story once again. So the story is of the friends. Friends are very important part of our life. Friends हमारी life का बहुत important part होते हैं. Over here in our story, two friends were there. They used to live together. साथ में रहते थे. Then they moved to the forest for a walk. There one bear came and one of the friend moved on the tree for saving his life. Then another friend, when he saw that my friend is not helping me out, he's saving his own life, then what he did, he felt very bad and he floated on the ground. वो ground पे ही लेट गया. When bear sniffed, जब bear ने उसको सूंघा, so he thought that he is not alive and bear moved away from there. When bear moved away, जब bear वहां से चला गया, then what happened? The friend who was on the tree, Rahul जो tree पे था, he came down and started laughing. Then what happened? Friend Nitin felt very bad. Nitin को बहुत ज्यादा बुरा लगा. Then what he did? He immediately stood up and say to his friend, you should never trust a friend. हमें कभी भी ऐसे फ्रेंड पे ट्रस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए जो हमारी हंसी उड़ाता हो. That is very bad. If any of your friend makes fun of you in your problems, is what good? No, that was really not good. Here and then he moved away from there. Who moved away? Nitin walked away from there. Why? Because he was feeling very bad. Now, what he was saying? He was searching for the opportunity. So what we'll write the spelling of opportunity. Then we will read together. Opportunity का spelling लिख के we are going to revise all the spellings together. Number 7, OPPUR, opportunity. TUNR, opportunity to make fun of the other person. That was really not good. It was not good. So now here our lesson gets over. We're going to read the new words and these are the words that is important to learn. So you should learn all these. So now we are going to start. Number 1, DEAD, dead. Number 1 is DEAD, dead. Dead means no more. The person who is not alive, the person जो alive नहीं है, he is known as dead. Number 2, meat. Meat is a kind of part of an animal which is being cut for eating. Directions are the way. As 4 direction, north, south, east, west. And direction means as ma'am is going here and ma'am is going here. One I am going in this direction, the other direction is this. This is the right direction, this is the left. As you say, if you stand like this, then this is the right and this is your left. Like these are the directions. Direction is here for whom? For the bear. Because as bear heard that, saw that the boy is no more, so he moved away from that. Number 4, stood. Stood means to stand in front of someone. As I am standing in front of you. That means stood. Over here, Nitin immediately stood up. He was lying on the floor. और जब उसका फ्रेंड उसके पास आके हंसने लगा, then he immediately stood up. STOOD, stood. Next, number 5 is laughing. Laughing. Laughing means हंसना. But laughing on someone's problem, that's not good. किसी की mistake या problem पे हंसना is not a good thing. Number 6, trust. Trust मतलब किसी पे भरोसा करना. Trust. 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 Next one is opportunity. Opportunity means mauka. Say as over here. First read the spelling, then I'll explain you. Opportunity. Opportunity. Now, Opportunity. Now, opportunity here was, what was the opportunity over here? That one of the friend got the opportunity to make fun of others. In the other sense, what do you mean by opportunity? Opportunity का मतलब क्या होता है? You are in your class and you got the opportunity to come over here and speak something. That is the opportunity. कितने सारे बच्चे सब hand raise करते हैं, मैम I want to speak, I want to speak. So many are there in the class. तो मैम सबको तो एक साथ नहीं बुला सकते. If everyone will going to come, तो हमको पता ही नहीं चलेगा क्या बोल रहे हैं. So everyone raise the hand in the class. और उसमें से मैम किसी वन को चूज करके बोलती है, okay, you come on this over here and speak. So that is the person who got the opportunity. मतलब उसको पहले मौका मिला that he or she can come over here and speak. Here ends the lesson. Now what we do? We'll do one exercise of our lesson, and that is tick the correct options. It is on page number 2020 of your English textbooks. That is Hello English Reader. We'll do a small exercise, exercise A. So pay attention while I'm speaking. Just orally, we are going to go through for only one exercise, that is pick the correct answer. Number 1 is Rahul and Nitin planned to go on hiking in the, where did they plan to go? A, woods, B, country, C, town. Where they decided to go to woods. A, woods. Number 2, in the forest, they heard a bear's what? A, trumped, B, growl, C, roar. How the bear was speaking? He was growling. So B, growl. Number 3, the bear put his nose close to Nitin's mouth, ear, nose. So bear put his nose near mouth, ear or nose, near the ear. Number B is the correct answer. Then number 4, Rahul slowly climbed the, Rahul धीरे से क्या जंप करा उसने? Pole, stairs or C, tree. Number C is the correct answer. Tree. वो tree पे तुरंत jump करके उसने क्या करा? He came down. Now we'll do fill in the blanks. There are 5. I'm speaking orally. Okay, just pay attention. Number B, fill in the blanks. Number 1, Rahul and Nitin packed their, what did they pack? They packed their bags. B-A-G-S, bags. Number 2, walking through a dense forest, they heard a bear's, what they heard? Growl. Growl. Moving on to number 3, Nitin threw himself dash on the ground. Flat. F-L-A-T. Flat. F-L-A-T. Moving on to number 4, Nitin gave Rahul a long dash look. How was the look? It was steady look. मतलब गुस्से में देख रहा था. So spelling of steady, S-T-E-A-D-Y. Again I am speaking S-T-E-A-D-Y. Number 5, Nitin picked himself up brushed off the dust and walked away. What did Nitin did? Nitin stood from the ground and brushed off. Brushed off मतलब अपनी बॉडी पे जो धूल थी उसको उसने साफ कर दिया. So what is that? Dust. D-U-S-T. D-U-S-T. So two exercises we have done orally that you have to complete in your textbooks and go through the lesson and do read the lesson.